How's it going, beautiful people? Welcome back to today's video, and if you have seen the previous videos, you would know this car is actually broken down on the track. Actually, I lost cylinder number 1, and at the beginning I thought it was either the coil pack or the spark plug, right? And it turned out to be somewhat related to the coil pack and the spark plugs, because cylinder number 1 was definitely burning the worst among all 6, but the misfire was still there after I changed all of the coil packs and spark plugs. Well, the cylinder number 1 was back on the bright side, so that narrows down the possibilities. And since I have not drained the oil yet, I'm not sure what's going on in the block. But before that, we have 2 other options. One is camshaft position sensor, and one is crankshaft position sensor. So today I am going to change the cam sensor. And lucky for me, this guy is a 1992 non-vanos M50. So I don't have to remove the vanos solenoid. I don't have to remove, I've seen a lot of people do that, the oil filter cap. So all you need is a 5mm Allen key, and that's it. So yeah, let's change the sensor, and hopefully after I change it, the car will stop misfiring. And then that'll give me a lot more time to think about what I want to do with this car next, because I got something. Alright? Just follow me. Be over there. You see that? Okay. I mean, I know you can pause the video and see what exactly it is, but don't worry about it. Anyways, let's get it. So the entire process is fairly simple. First things first, you got to locate it. Well, here it is. It's right next to the pickup point of the engine. And if your engine is post 92, you'll have a vanos, or vanos, however you want to pronounce it. It's going to be over here. That's the whole vanos system. And the solenoid is going to be somewhere over here. So I've seen a lot of people that had to remove the vanos solenoid and oddly enough, the oil filter cap. And I'm not sure why, but to be fair, I have never changed the cam position sensor on a vanos engine, so they might be on the way. Who knows? But anyways, grab a 5mm Allen key. Break it loose. There you go. So a bad cam position sensor might result in misfiring, hard to drive, hesitation, hard to start, or not being able to start at all. So this bolt is long. Alright, there it is. And I think it's seized. So if you're seized as well, a flathead screwdriver and a hammer will do wonders. And there you go, that's the cam position sensor. I think I might have to reuse that O-ring, otherwise it's going to leak. Because apparently, as far as I know, this one doesn't come with an O-ring. And now all you need to do is trace this wire down and unplug it. So this connector is actually on a bracket. What you can do is just slide this off the bracket and then clip onto a like a spring clip, and then you just pop it off. So this is the old one and this is the new one. As you can see, the old one is BMW OEM, and then the one I'm changing onto is Hella. I actually got it from FCP Euro, and this is actually OE replacement. So not expensive at all, and works just fine. Now let me take off the O-ring and put it over there. And now is a good time to check the condition of the O-ring. If it's you know, really hard, plasticky, or has a nick on it, this is a good time to change it. But so far, this one is fine. And I don't have anything to replace it in hand, and I don't want to drive to AutoZone right now, so I'll just use this one. If it leaks in the future, well then I'll change it in the future. And once you clean it up, set it aside. Make sure you don't install it right away, because when you're plugging this one in, you might drop it, and you don't want to do that. And now clean up the hole real good. Alright, that's tight enough. Make sure to not over torque it, because that will be a B word if you strip that, you know. But now let's start up the engine again and see if that fixes it. I doubt it, but worth a shot. It does not. I don't know if you can see the smoke. The only reason I did it was for my future plan. I gotta change it anyways. I would like to change all of the sensors to new ones, because you'll see in the future. But let me kill it. Oh, it smells terrible. Oof. Unburned fuel, I'll tell you. Well, apparently that's not the problem, but good thing is at least now you know how to change the cam sensor on E36. Oh god, this smells really bad. Oh, mama. Anyways, ooh, I have to drain the oil. So in the next episode, you're probably gonna see me draining the oil and determine that the engine is shot, whatever, blah blah blah, yada yada. But as for now, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you are interested in this build. Trust me, this engine has a long way to go. So if you're interested in that, if you love drifting, if you love BMW, love cars, love JDM cars, I have a 1JZ laying down over there somewhere. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all of my other videos. Hit the like button, notification bell, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You already know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.